Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to get the AliExpress welcome deal. Firstly, visit the AliExpress website or download the AliExpress app on your smartphone. Click sign up and create a new account using your email, phone number or social media account. Make sure this is your first AliExpress account as the welcome deal is only available for new users. Once logged in, go to the coupons or my coupons section, then you should see a welcome coupon or new user discount, often ranging from $3 to $5 off your first order. Browse products and add eligible items to your shopping cart. Some welcome deals have minimum purchase requirements like $10 to use $3 off, so check the terms. At checkout, select Apply Coupon and choose the welcome coupon from your list of available coupons. Complete your order at a discounted price, and once the order is placed, you can track it via the Orders section in the app or website. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.